PDYN stock analysis and PDYN stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Bro, such a great end of the week of Friday, like 16% up with 41,000 videos made myself. I've seen what's working for me, what is not. It's taken me 5 years to come to this point, especially Palladyne, man. Like the swing one was already cowed out, you know. This is already kind of doing its thing, delivering and all that good jazz. Look, that this was made back from 588 at the time, like 2 months back. I mean, all that to say, I'm just looking. I mean, my most recent video was this, but we never came down to my demand zone. So all I'm going to do is shift the previous idea a little bit above and keep it the same. I don't care. Like, now these are the new targets. Only thing that will make me buy is the confirmations taking place. And if not, it's good. I'm not buying randomly. Very simple. Have a lot of previous PDYN receipts here. And if you want to learn how I make it 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.